Today, we will talk about how to clean up water damage. Let's have a look at the details. Water damage can be very frustrating for homeowners. Floods and leaks can cause furniture, appliances, walls, and carpeting to become water damaged. To clean water damage, soak up as much water as possible, and then clean and disinfect walls, floors, and furniture. Certain items, like rare or valuable items, should be cleaned by a professional. The first method is cleaning walls and floors. Unplug everything first. Before you begin cleaning, unplug everything. It is very dangerous to enter a water-damaged home if electronics are plugged in. Carefully unplug everything from the wall and turn off any appliances before you begin cleaning. Soak up as much water as possible with a wet-dry vacuum. If you don't have a wet-dry vacuum, you can rent one at a hardware store. To begin the process of drying out the floor and walls, run the vacuum over your floors, walls, and anywhere else where you notice built-up water damage. Steam clean the carpet. For water-damaged carpets, your best option is steam cleaning. You can rent a steam cleaner at a local hardware store if you do not own one. Run the steam cleaner over the water-damaged carpet to remove moisture and clean your carpeting. Disinfect everything. Water damage can cause the buildup of bacteria in your walls, floors, and carpeting. Disinfecting these areas to remove water damage is important. You can buy a disinfectant cleaner at a local grocery store or hardware store. Apply a product to prevent mold growth. Mold growth can occur, especially in wood, after water damage. After cleaning and disinfecting your floors and walls, apply a product that inhibits mold growth. Use fans and a humidifier. Even after sopping up most of the water, there is likely some lingering water in your floors and carpeting. Keep fans in the room and have them on 24 hours a day. This can speed up the drying process. The second method is cleaning furniture and household supplies. Remove soaked items immediately. Furniture is likely to get more wet sitting in a water-damaged room. Brush mold and mildew off furniture. In the event of things like floods and leaks, mold, mildew, and debris can build up on furniture. Soak up extra moisture using desiccants. Desiccants are materials that absorb moisture. They include things like clay, calcium oxide, and silica gel. Hand clean appliances. Appliances also get wet and dirty from water damage. You can surface clean appliances with an all-purpose cleaner to rub away any debris built up on their surfaces. Throw out mattresses. Unfortunately, mattresses cannot usually be salvaged after water damage. If a mattress gets wet, it's best to dispose of it at a local dump. And the third method is contacting professionals for assistance. Make a photographic record of the damage. You should always take pictures of damage after a flood or other natural disaster causes water damage. This will be important to show to the insurance company when making a claim. Talk to your insurance company. Call your insurance company after water damage occurs. Explain the extent of the damage to them and show them evidence like photographs you took. Most homeowners' insurance policies should pay for at least some of the costs of cleaning and repair. Consult professionals to clean valuables. Things like books, photographs, and paintings usually require professional cleaning. Rare or valuable objects especially should only be treated by professionals to prevent damage. Contact professional cleaners in your area who specialize in water damage to clean such objects. Have upholstered furniture professionally cleaned. Upholstered furniture is difficult to clean on your own in the event of water damage. Hire professional furniture cleaners to deal with upholstered furniture that has been soaked in water. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.